10 Must-Have Essential Oils for Perfume Making. Title: 10 Must-Have Essential Oils for Perfume Making. Introduction: 100 words. Perfume making is an art that combines science, creativity, and personal style. And at the heart of every exquisite fragrance lies essential oils, nature's botanical wonders. These powerful and concentrated extracts are essential for creating captivating and long-lasting scents. With a plethora of essential oils available, it can be overwhelming to decipher which ones are must-haves for perfume making. 1. Rose, 150 words. Known as the Queen of Flowers, rose essential oil is a timeless masterpiece in the world of perfumery. Its rich and sensual aroma emanates luxury and elegance, making it a must-have for any perfume maker. Rose essential oil blends well with a variety of other oils, enhancing and providing depth to floral compositions. With its captivating scent, rose essential oil adds a romantic touch to any fragrance. 2. Bergamot, 150 words. Bergamot essential oil, derived from the zesty rind of the bergamot fruit, is a versatile and refreshing addition to perfume making. Its citrusy and bright aroma adds a burst of freshness that invigorates compositions. Perfect for creating uplifting and energizing fragrances, bergamot oil also harmonizes beautifully with floral and woody notes, creating a well-rounded scent. 3. Patchouli, 150 words. Patchouli essential oil, with its earthy, woody, and slightly sweet scent, has been a staple in perfumery for centuries. Known for its grounding and balancing properties, patchouli oil is often used as a base note to add depth and richness. It blends exceptionally well with floral, spicy, and oriental notes, bringing warmth and sensuality to fragrances. 4. Lavender, 150 words. Lavender essential oil is prized for its calming and soothing properties, but it also has a distinctive aroma that makes it a valuable addition to any perfume collection. Its floral, herbaceous scent blends well with a wide range of other oils, from citrus to woodsy, creating fragrances that are both comforting and refreshing. Lavender oil is a versatile ingredient that adds balance and a touch of elegance to perfumes. 5. Jasmine, 150 words. Jasmine essential oil is known for its intoxicating and exotic scent that evokes feelings of sensuality and romance. It is one of the most expensive essential oils due to the labor-intensive extraction process. Its warm, floral aroma adds depth and complexity to perfumes, making it a prized ingredient in luxury fragrances. Jasmine oil harmonizes beautifully with other floral oils, making it a must-have for creating sophisticated and captivating scents. 6. Sandalwood, 150 words. Sandalwood essential oil, with its smooth, creamy, and woody scent, is often referred to as liquid gold in perfumery. Its warm and comforting aroma has been used for centuries to create meditative and spiritual experiences. Sandalwood oil is an excellent fixative, helping other scents last longer. Its versatility allows it to blend seamlessly with various notes, including floral, oriental, and spicy, creating unique and enduring perfumes. 7. Ylang Ylang, 150 words. Ylang Ylang essential oil is renowned for its intensely sweet and floral fragrance that exudes warmth and sensuality. Its exotic and heady aroma makes it a favorite in perfumery. Ylang Ylang oil blends well with citrus, floral, and spicy oils, creating fragrances that are both captivating and alluring. Its unique scent profile contributes depth and complexity to perfumes, making it a valuable addition to any fragrance collection. 8. Vetiver, 150 words. Vetiver essential oil, derived from the roots of the vetiver grass, has a deep and smoky scent with earthy, woody undertones. Its rich aroma adds complexity and stability to perfumes, making it an ideal base note. Vetiver oil pairs well with other earthy and woody scents, creating striking and sophisticated fragrances suitable for both men and women. It's a must-have for those looking to create powerful, long-lasting perfumes. 9. Neroli, 150 words. Neroli essential oil, extracted from the flowers of the bitter orange tree, has a unique and exquisite scent that is both floral and citrusy. Its delicate and sensual aroma adds elegance and sophistication to fragrances. Neroli oil blends harmoniously with a variety of other oils, from floral to spicy, creating captivating scents that radiate beauty and grace. 10. Frankincense, 150 words. Frankincense essential oil is revered for its rich history, spiritual significance, and complex aroma. With its warm, resinous, and balsamic scent, frankincense oil adds depth and elegance to perfumes. It blends well with a wide range of other oils, from floral to spicy, creating fragrances that are both grounding and uplifting. Frankincense oil is a valuable ingredient for those seeking to create captivating and timeless scents. Title: 10 Must-Have Essential Oils for Perfume Making. Introduction, 101 words. Perfume making is an art that combines science, creativity, and personal style. And at the heart of every exquisite fragrance lies essential oils, nature's botanical wonders. These powerful and concentrated extracts are essential for creating captivating and long-lasting scents. With a plethora of essential oils available, it can be overwhelming to decipher which ones are must-haves for perfume making. 1. Rose, 150 words.